Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am filming on my little my little tablet because my phone is dead. But I wanted to show you a little Walmart haul I did. I went to Walmart because I had a $50 gift card that I got for Christmas. And so there were some things that I definitely needed, and I wanted to see how far $50 would get me at Walmart. So the first thing I got was this twin fitted sheet. Now, the reason I got this is because I need to redo my cushions on my couch, but I can't afford to do that right now. So I measured it, and all three cushions on the bottom is what I need to redo. They are the same size as a twin. So I got a fitted twin sheet, and it was only $4. Then I needed some shoes desperately. My tennis shoes are just like had it. And so now I have very small feet, so I have to buy my shoes in the kids department. So I'm probably going to change the shoelaces out because these are quite bright. But they were nice, and they had that inner sole support and stuff in it, arch support, which I needed. And so I wound up getting these. I think these might be 5s. So, but I thought they were really cute. But yeah, I might change out the bright pink shoelaces. I don't know, I might leave them on there. Then I needed a pair of dress shoes, and it is really hard to find dress shoes in the kids department. But these were on sale for $4.96. And then I found these, and they're really cute. Now, I don't know if they look too childish or not. I don't know if you can see them that well. The lighting is not that great. But, well, without that thing on there. But they're really cute. They're kind of like the little Roman things right here. They have a zipper in the back to make it easier to put them on. And I just thought they were really cute. And I tried on a pair of 4s, and they fit pretty good. But because the toe's a little pointed, I went ahead and got a 5. And these were on sale for, the original price was $13.97, and they were marked down to $7. So I got those. Then in my guest bathroom, it's Paris theme, and my shower curtain is black and beige. So I got a washcloth and 2 hand towels and a bath sheet. This is huge too. And they're all 100% cotton. And they're pretty nice quality. They feel pretty good. And so, yeah, these were on sale for $4. And these were on sale for $1.84. And this was on sale for $1.18. So then I had money left over, so I decided to get some clothes. And so I went to the clearance rack, and I got this really pretty shirt. It's coming up purple, but it's not. It's a dark burgundy, and it matches a bow that I got for Christmas for my hair from my bestie. And I'm going to do a separate video showing all my good stuff on there. But I picked up this shirt, and it was $4.96. Then I found this long sleeve shirt, which is red, and it's really cute. And it was I can't believe it was a 14. So, but it was $4.96. It looks a little big, but I went ahead and got it because it's $4.96. This is my favorite one that I picked up right here. This is really pretty. And it's just got the little fleur-de-lis on it, and it's just soft beigey color. I picked that up to go with a pair of these cream color leggings. Well, they're like I don't know, just the legging thingies, but they're a little bit loose. They say Trim and True is what the name of them. They're regularly priced $12.96, and I got them for $7. So I was real happy about that. And then I got a sweater to wear with them. And this is a really cute sweater. Yeah. So this is really pretty. It didn't have buttons or anything on it. but I thought it was really cute. It has little pockets on it. So, yeah, that was my Walmart haul. Oh, I also got some contact lens drops for, when you wear them because my eyes got so dry. But, here's my purse. But anyway, yeah, that was my Walmart haul for my birthday. And I wound up spending $49.85. So I was really happy with that. And so I think I got a really good deal on everything. I mean, I got a sweater, 3 shirts, pair of pants, towel set, 2 pairs of shoes, and a twin set of sheet for 49 bucks. So I was really happy with that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I apologize for the lighting, but my phone was dead. And I wanted to get this filmed tonight because I'm going to be wearing this for church. Some of this for church tomorrow. And although you'll be seeing this tomorrow. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I promise I will be back after the new year. I will have a Monday morning coffee because I have a lot of things I want to tell you, a lot of changes that's going to be coming up. Then I want to tell you about a new adventure that I'm going to be taking that I want to tell you about. And so, yeah, I'm excited about that. So watch for that. And then after the new year, I'll have, a lot more videos coming out for you. All right, guys, stay tuned. I will have another video out in just a little bit for Christmas present that I got from my dear friend, my bestie, Lori Seabrook. Hi, Lori. And so, but I wanted to share with you, I think, what a phenomenal deal Walmart has. Of course, their shelves are getting very bigger right now, and I asked them what was going on. And when we were prepping for all the hurricanes coming through, they said they never really got straightened out from that. But then Thanksgiving hit, then Christmas, and they said, they've been getting wiped out. So hopefully they're going to be restocking soon. All right, I'm rambling. I'll see you guys later. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that subscribe button. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.